So let's take this fresh avocado pit and just put it in water like so. Forget about toothpicks or anything because I don't want to injure the embryo. And we'll just leave it like that, and it should germinate as well. So it's been 11 days since I put these avocado pits in the water, and you'll see that I got more avocado pits. And I was trying to see if leaving the skin on the pit versus taking off the skin would make a difference. And I think it has, because if you take a look at this one in the front, I guess this was the first one that was put in. It is starting to split open, and the others have not. We'll come back and we'll take another look. So 4 more days later, and we can see that this avocado pit is splitting quite open. So it's now been 27 days since we put this first avocado pit into the water, and maybe a week shorter for the one on the left. But you can see that there is now a little root coming from the bottom of this avocado pit, and the one on the left is also doing the same. And the two whose outer skin was not removed, well, the one suspended slightly above the water, I don't think it has enough moisture, but the one down here is starting to split open. So it does seem that this taking off the skin speeds up the process of germination for avocado pits. I do also believe that warm weather and warm conditions helps. So it's been a month and 1 day since these avocado pits were in the water. And let's take a look here. As you can see, there is a nice root coming out. And so the root comes out, well, it goes down, so it doesn't matter which way you put it in the water, but you know, let's plant it in dirt now. You could leave it in the water for a while until the stem comes out, but I believe that it's preferable to put them in dirt. So, because there's also nutrients in dirt. So we'll put this one in dirt and bury it like so. Not too far under the dirt, just barely cover it up. That's good enough. Put some mulch on top. And there's another one here that it was in the water for not quite a month, but perhaps 3 weeks. So that one has a root coming out as well. And you see the pointy end is where the root comes out from. But this one was sitting like yay. So the root went that way. And so let's put this one in soil beside its companion. So the root is sticking out to the right, but it's okay. I'll put it that way. Careful with the root as well not to break it off. And we'll cover it up. And we'll come back when these two pop out of the soil. Here also I have some scallion which have been here for a couple days. These ones have been there for maybe 3 or 4 days. This one is like take away 2 days, so 2 days, that one as well, and that one as well. But they're growing. I've also watered them with fertilizer water because the nutrients will make them grow to actual delicious scallion. And we have other avocado pits here as well. Now the one on the bottom left there, that's the one, let me see here. Now this one, was it this one? Now this one on the bottom left, that was the one that was in the water marbles. So let's see if it grows at all. There's still a chance because it hasn't really rotted that much. But anyways, the water marbles was probably not going to work out. So don't use those. We've gotten rid of them. We'll come back. So 19 days later, we see that the avocado has sprouted from the soil. What you see in front of you here is actually cherry tomatoes that I planted, I think maybe 15 days ago or 14 days ago. They grow really fast anyway, but they'll take a long time to produce. But anyways, behind that is where I planted the avocado that sprouted in water. And you can see that 2 shoots are finally coming up. So that was 19 days, a lot longer than I expected. So it's a good idea to always be patient with your plants and know that you can't rush them. So it's been exactly 2 months since we started these avocado in water, and you can see the 2 brown stems growing amongst the tomato there. And let's take a look at this one. You can see how the leaves are starting to come out at various positions on the stem. So that's 2 months of growth. Here are the avocado seedlings 2 months and 3 days later. Growing up pretty fast now. 2 months and 8 days. So it's been 2 months and 17 days now.
那花盆底下的小洞就是泉眼。我们刚刚在找泉眼的源头时，忘了泥土会吸收水分，所以当喵里和病把染料倒在地上，染料会在泉眼。
So, it's been exactly 3 months since we grew this avocado from seed. And that's your result. 2 healthy avocado trees. Now give it a shot for yourself. That's just one method, obviously. There are other methods, but simple works.